Hello everyone, welcome to Hima Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to provide most important questions in product of vectors. From this chapter, we will get 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks and 1 7 marks. That means we can score total 13 marks from this chapter. Now we will see most important 7 marks questions. Now we will see most important 4 marks questions in this chapter. Now we will see most important 2 marks questions in product of vectors. That's for the class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Hima Tutorials. Thank you.